Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with our next topic, which is using SAP GUI. What is SAP GUI and why do we need to connect to SAP? So basically, before getting into it, I'll show you how we can connect to SAP GUI. Okay, so how we can download SAP GUI. So let's go to the service marketplace. Okay, when you go to the service marketplace, you need to go for this particular URL, which is service.sap.com/swdc, which is the software depot. Okay, so in that you can go for say support packages and patches. Under that you can go for browse our download catalog, and SAP GUI is under front end components. So if you click on the front end components, okay, in the front end component you can look for SAP GUI for Windows. Okay, so this is the one that is for Windows. Here SAP GUI for Windows 7.2 or 7.3, depending on which one you want to go for. Okay, so these are the different components in 7.2. Say for example, if you want to go for SAP GUI for Windows, say BW is there, BI7 is there, KW is there. Okay, so you can go to any of these. Okay, so these are the different SAP GUI versions. Say you can go here and download this from here. Okay, so download this and just double click and reinstall that particular software. Okay, so these are the different files for it. Okay, you can download the software and patch from this location. Okay, so that is about SAP GUI download. Okay, once it is downloaded, you will have an icon listed here. This is like SAP logon. Okay, so under SAP, okay, when you expand this, you will see SAP logon. Okay, so it will be under programs, and you can look for it under in say it is in, okay, here it is program file SAP. Okay, under that you can find this SAP logon. So if you just double click on SAP logon, and to start with, this particular tab will be empty. Okay, so here you can see multiple systems being shown up over here, and for us, because we don't want to connect to an existing system, we want to create a new connection. So just click on user defined. So here you can see different options are there: server, the user defined, change item, delete item, log on. Okay, so for user defined, say the first activity here is description. So it is the name that you want to connect to the server. Okay, this is basically the server for ITIG. Okay, then here is the name of the server. So this is say ITIG 30. Then the system ID. Okay, system ID is your SID basically, so it could be say SD1. Okay, system number, it could be your number with which you have installed your SAP system. Okay, then that's it. Just click on save and it will be added. Okay, just click on add. That's it. Here you can see your SD1 system gets added. Okay, so this is the system that we have added. Okay, if you want to modify it, we can click on say change item, and when we can modify any of the values and can just save it. Okay, if you want to delete this particular entry, we can just click on delete item. It will delete this particular entry. Okay, so for logging into any of these components, say for example I want to log into this particular system, say this is the system that I want to log into, just double click on this. Okay, on double clicking you will see this particular interface will open up. Under client, you need to give the client number to which you want to connect. Okay, then you have the username. Okay, I'll use this user solman_admin, and the password, use your password whatever you have defined or whatever is defined for you. Okay, then language also you can just mention. Okay, then if someone is already connected to that system, you'll get message like this, that is, do you want to log off his session or do you want to log on with a new session? Okay, so you are logged on with this session. Okay, once you are log on, so this is your launch pad. Okay, so that's how you can connect to SAP system. So this is the first activity which you need to perform when you are connecting or started to work in SAP. Okay, thanks everyone, thanks for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.